You're watching BQ Prime and we are here at the Global FinTech Fest once again. Joining me for a conversation is Mr. Shrini Viswanath, who's the co-founder of Upstox. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. I just want to understand that competitors are really widening their offerings at this point and some are even entering this space. So what are some new products that you're looking at launching?
So we just recently launched SGB, sovereign gold bonds. We've launched some fixed income products. We're launching fixed deposits shortly. We're getting very, very positive and aggressive on launching more and more asset classes for end investors to use, because we believe that people are not just looking for a single app for trading or investing. They want a single app that can manage their entire wealth. So whatever that may be in terms of managing their wealth, giving them a full picture of how good their portfolio is, that's something that we're investing heavily on. So in terms of new asset classes, we've launched sovereign gold bonds. We're looking to launch more on fixed deposits. And in terms of technology, we're looking to expand our machine learning and AI models to help people get their model portfolio right.
Do you have, just a follow up, do you have a timeline in place for this, for the new offerings?
Yeah, so we are actually rolling it out almost every month. So we just launched gold bonds. We're looking to launch fixed deposits in the next 2 months. Our model portfolio technology is also about to come out in another 2 months, which will tell you exactly how good your portfolio is and what you can do to make it better.
All right. So if you could help me understand the market share of discount broking and Upstox share in it.
I don't have the exact numbers, but discount brokers as a whole are gaining more and more market share. And big reason of that is not just because they're discount, but a lot of that is because they focus heavily on the customer and on the product, which has been super successful, to a point where I think even large bank brokerages now, most of them, if they don't already have a discount brokerage platform, they're about to launch one very soon. So I think this is the way it's going to be in the future. You're going to see everyone be a discount broker.
All right. Oh, that's a very powerful statement, I must say. You also had plans to apply for an AMC license, and recently there have been headlines also about it. Could you help us share what is the update on it?
Yeah, so we're planning to launch in the next 1 year or so, and the thinking behind that is that we believe that with our knowledge, the research that we already do on stocks, our understanding of the customer and what they want, we can actually create, manufacture personalized products that suits them, that's better than the other 1,000 mutual funds out there that are in the market. One of the most common questions that we get is, how do I invest, right? There are more than 1,000 different mutual funds. And that's something that we want to try to answer by being able to manufacture our own fund and give the best product for the end customer.
Sir, there are also reports that SEBI is coming up with the same day or the 1 hour settlements as well. So how do you think this will be executed and what is the expected impact of this?
Look, I love the way that SEBI is speeding up a lot of these regulations in terms of consumer developments. I haven't particularly delved deep yet into it. I'm still awaiting details to see what the impact is. But broadly speaking, I think the amount of innovation that they've brought in terms of account opening, identity verification, safeguarding of funds, and trying to make anything and everything as part of the trading ecosystem and life cycle more real time is a welcome move from the industry.
Just stretching like my one final question on the SEBI part. SEBI is also coming up with the ASBA-like facility. In fact, it's here. So how do you think this will be executed, or even the impact of this, considering there are some non-ASBA customers as well?
I think it's going to have everyone, all the banks and all the brokerages fall in line. I think it's done more in the sense of to safeguard customer funds. And again, I think it's a right move in the right direction. I'm glad at the sort of execution and pace that they're going at. They're making startups and fintechs also check their own pace and make sure that we're fast enough, right? But I think given the maturity of our economy, the number of new accounts that are coming in, it's a right time for everyone to sort of raise the bar at how well we do business, right? And so that's something that we need to do it faster and quicker, then so be it. We should do it.
Thank you so much for speaking to BQ Prime, sir. It's been a pleasure for us.
Thank you. It was my pleasure to be here.